How long does food stay in the stomach before moving to the small intestine? A. 24 hours. B. 10 minutes. C. 4 hours. D. 1 week. The answer is C. 4 hours. On average, food stays in the stomach for about 4 hours. During this time, it gets mixed with stomach acids and broken down into a thick liquid. After that, it moves to the small intestine where nutrients are absorbed. The exact time can vary depending on the type of food. What is the normal blood sugar level? A. 100. B. 50. C. 200. D. 30. The answer is A. 100. A normal fasting blood sugar level for a healthy person is around 100 mg/dl or less. This means the amount of sugar in your blood after not eating for at least 8 hours is at a safe level. Higher numbers can indicate diabetes, while very low numbers might mean low blood sugar. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 210. B. 198. C. 220. D. 206. The answer is D. 206. An adult human body typically has 206 bones. As a child, we have more bones, but some of them fuse together as we grow, reducing the total to 206 in adulthood. These bones make up the human skeleton and provide structure and support to the body. Which country shares borders with both Germany and Ukraine? A. France. B. Italy. C. Romania. D. Poland. The answer is D. Poland. Poland is the country that shares borders with both Germany to the west and Ukraine to the east. It sits between the two, making it a neighbor to both. The other options do not border both countries. What year did the internet publicly become available? A. 2000. B. 1985. C. 1991. D. 1995. The answer is C. 1991. The internet became publicly available in 1991 when Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, introduced the World Wide Web to the public, making it accessible for everyday use beyond research institutions. How many taste buds the human tongue has approximately? A. 500. B. 10,000. C. 20,000. D. 100. The answer is B. 10,000. The human tongue has about 10,000 taste buds. These tiny sensory organs help us detect different tastes like sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Taste buds are found not just on the tongue, but also on the roof of the mouth and the throat. What gives blood its red color? A. Hemoglobin. B. Platelets. C. Cholesterol. D. Plasma. The answer is A. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. It contains iron, which binds with oxygen and gives blood its red color. The other options are parts of blood or substances in the body, but don't affect its color. Which country is known for creating the art of origami? A. China. B. Thailand. C. Korea. D. Japan. The answer is D. Japan. Origami, the art of paper folding, was developed and popularized in Japan. The word origami itself comes from Japanese, ori meaning fold and kami meaning paper. While other cultures have paper crafts, Japan is especially known for turning paper folding into a traditional art form. Which organ is responsible for detoxifying chemicals? A. Liver. B. Heart. C. Lungs. D. Stomach. The answer is A. Liver. The liver is the body's main detoxifying organ. It breaks down harmful substances like drugs, alcohol, and toxins, so the body can safely remove them. The heart pumps blood, the lungs help with breathing, and the stomach digests food, but detox is the liver's job. Which sea creature can remove its own heart, stomach, and internal organs? A. Sea cucumber. B. Octopus. C. Eel. D. Starfish. The answer is A. Sea cucumber. When threatened, sea cucumbers literally eject their guts out of their rear end. Yes, from there and then just grow them back like nothing happened. Which part of the body has the most sweat glands? A. Back. B. Soles. C. Forehead. D. Arms. The answer is B. Soles. The soles of your feet have the most sweat glands compared to any other part of the body. Sweat glands help cool the body, and the soles need extra grip and temperature regulation, which is why they have so many. How much of the human body is made up of water? A. 20%. B. 90%. C. 35%. D. 60%. The answer is D. 60%. About 60% of the human body is made up of water. Water is essential for all body functions like digestion, circulation, and temperature control, while the exact percentage can vary by age, sex, and body composition. 60% is the average for a healthy adult. Calculate the range of the set. 4, 8, 15, 16, 23, 42. A. 38. B. 19. C. 23. D. 42. The answer is A. 38. The range of a set is found by subtracting the smallest number from the largest number. In the set 4, 8, 15, 16, 23.42, the smallest number is 4 and the largest is 42. So 42, 4 equals 38. What is the smelliest part of the human body? A. Elbow. B. Knee. C. Head. D. Armpit. The answer is D. Armpit. The armpit is the smelliest part of the human body because it has many sweat glands and is often warm and moist. Bacteria grow there and break down sweat, which creates body odor. What is the Roman numeral for 76, 76, 76? A. B. C. D. The answer is C. Roman numerals are formed by combining letters. L equals 50, X equals 10, V equals 5, I equals 1, to make 76. Which bone protects the brain? A. Femur. B. Skull. C. Rib. D. Tibia. The answer is B. Skull. The skull is the bone that protects the brain. It forms the head and acts like a hard helmet around the brain. Which of these animals breathes through its skin? A. Dog. B. Bat. C. Frog. D. Tiger. The answer is C. Frog. Frogs can breathe through their skin. a process called cutaneous respiration. This helps them absorb oxygen, especially when they're underwater. While they also have lungs, their skin plays a key role in oxygen exchange. What is the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area? A. Lake Victoria. B. Lake Baikal. C. Lake Tanganyika. D. Lake Superior. The answer is C. Lake Superior, located in North America, is the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area, covering about 31,700 square miles, 82,100 square kilometers. It is part of the Great Lakes system shared by the United States and Canada. What is full of holes but still holds water? A. Sponge. B. Bowl. C. Bucket. D. Cup. The answer is A. Sponge. A sponge is full of tiny holes, but can still hold water because its porous structure traps and retains the liquid within. Which African river flows northward into the Mediterranean Sea? A. Congo. B. Nile. C. Zambezi. D. Niger. The answer is B. Nile. The Nile River is the longest river in Africa, and it flows northward through northeastern Africa, eventually emptying into the Mediterranean Sea. The other rivers flow in different directions or into other bodies of water. Which of these animals is cold-blooded? A. Elephant. B. Dog. C. Lizard. D. Horse. The answer is C. Lizard. A lizard is cold-blooded, which means its body temperature changes with the environment. In contrast, dogs, elephants, and horses are warm-blooded, so they maintain a steady body temperature no matter the weather. The act of throwing and catching multiple objects at a time is called A. Juggling. B. Dancing. C. Painting. D. Skating. The answer is A. Juggling. Juggling is the skill of throwing and catching two or more objects, like balls or clubs in the air, without dropping them. It takes good hand-eye coordination and practice. The other options are fun activities too, but they don't involve tossing and catching objects in the same way. Which city in the United States has the largest population? A. Houston. B. Los Angeles. C. New York. D. Chicago. The answer is C. New York. New York City has the largest population of any city in the United States. It's known for its famous landmarks like Times Square and the Statue of Liberty. Although Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston are also big cities, none of them have as many people as New York. Which structure connects muscles to bones? A. Ligament. B. Tendon. C. Cartilage. D. Vein. The answer is B. Tendon. A tendon is a tough, flexible band of tissue that connects a muscle to a bone, helping move the bone when the muscle contracts. Where is the mandible located in the human body? A. Spine. B. Knee. C. Jaw. D. Elbow. The answer is C. Jaw. The mandible is the lower jawbone in the human body. It's the largest and strongest bone in the face and helps with chewing and speaking.